Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Google Pay and sign into the account that received the payment. Tap Payments, then Transactions to see recent activity and timestamps. Find the specific transaction and tap it to open full details. Look for Receipt, View Details, or Payment Info to reveal the sender name and any masked phone digits. If the phone number appears masked, note the visible digits and timestamp to compare with other records on your device. Choose the right mic and placement for the tone you want to capture. Position a dynamic mic, such as an SM57 3 to 6 inches, from the speaker cone to capture presence and bite. Rotate the mic between 0 and 45 degrees toward the cone to vary brightness and mids. Add a condenser or ribbon as a room mic 1 to 2 meters back to capture natural ambience and space for depth. Blend close and room mics to taste during mixing. Build an efficient workflow to capture full performances and keep files safe. Record multiple takes and mark good passes so you can comp the best parts later. Always record a clean die track to reamp or replace tones during mixing if needed. Set your audio buffer to about 128 samples to balance latency and stability while tracking. Monitor levels so your output averages around -6 dB and never clip. Finally, save incremental session versions and back up to an external drive after each session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.